Morning everybody, and today I'm going to be digging up my garlic. As you can see, it's all starting to turn brown now and the necks are falling over, so I think it's time it all came up. So I'll be harvesting all my garlic today, and that's about it really, so let's get on with it. As you can see, not a bad harvest. I'll try and zoom you in a little bit. It's not bad size out of all of them. I've got in the end there was 23 bulbs of garlic. But what I'll do now is I'll give them a quick rinse to get most of the dirt off of them. And then once I've done that, I'll come back and I'll show you where I keep them, just let them dry out. So I'll be back in a minute once they're all washed. Okay, welcome back. All the garlic's now been washed, cleaned, and I'm just going to leave it here in the sun for the rest of today, just to dry it out where it's been washed. It's a bit wet, and then once it's all dry, I'll show you just now where I'm going to put it, but just show you as a comparison. That's a tennis ball, so the average size is about a tennis ball, maybe just a little bit bigger on some of them. And there's, I don't know if I mentioned before, but I'll just recount it, there's 26 bulbs in total. And I actually dug up two bulbs a little while ago. I needed some, so there was 28 that I planted. So that's the harvest of 2018. And then at the end of the day, what I'll do is I'll take them and I'll lay them on this table, and they'll stay underneath here for maybe 4 to 6 weeks until all the leaves have completely dried out, gone brown, gone hard. And then I'll cut them down and leave about 2 inches or 50 mil of stem above the bulb, sorry, and then I'll only keep them in my garage in like a crate, so it doesn't get no sun underneath here, and it's completely open, so there's plenty of ventilation. So that's the end of the garlic video, and I'll see you in a couple of weeks. Thanks for watching. Cheers.